10 Best Foods Before Studying. Want to boost your memory, focus, and energy? The right food can supercharge your brain power. Snacks and meals to eat that help you stay sharp, focused, and ready to learn. 1. Bananas. Bananas are a great pre-study snack because they're rich in natural sugars, fiber, and potassium. These nutrients give your brain a steady stream of energy, helping you stay focused and alert without a crash. Plus, they're easy to eat on the go. 2. Eggs. Eggs are brain fuel packed with high-quality protein and choline, a nutrient that supports memory and cognitive function. Whether boiled or scrambled, eating eggs before studying can help you concentrate better and recall information more effectively. 3. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, caffeine, and antioxidants that improve brain function, enhance mood, and boost alertness. A small piece before a study session can give you a mental lift while also satisfying your sweet tooth in a healthy way. 4. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a complex carbohydrate that provides long-lasting energy without spikes in blood sugar. It fuels the brain with a steady supply of glucose, helping you stay mentally sharp and focused during long study sessions. 5. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, which support brain health and the gut-brain connection. It keeps you full and helps maintain mental clarity. Add fruits or a drizzle of honey for an extra brain-boosting combo. 6. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and other berries are loaded with antioxidants that improve brain function, memory, and concentration. They also reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which can hinder cognitive performance during intense study. 7. Nuts, especially walnuts. Nuts, especially walnuts, are rich in healthy fats, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients protect brain cells and improve cognitive function. A small handful before studying can enhance memory and mental endurance. 8. Avocado. Avocados contain healthy monounsaturated fats that increase blood flow to the brain, supporting better thinking and problem solving. They also provide fiber and potassium, helping to stabilize your mood and focus. 9. Green tea. Green tea has a perfect balance of caffeine and L-theanine, which promotes calm alertness and improved attention. Drinking it before studying can help you stay focused and relaxed without the jitters you might get from coffee. 10. Apple with peanut butter. This classic combo provides natural sugar, fiber, and protein. The apple boosts energy while the peanut butter slows digestion for sustained mental performance. It's a delicious and balanced snack to keep your brain powered while you learn. Fueling your brain with the right foods makes a big difference in how well you focus and retain information. Choose smart, balanced snacks before you study, and you'll notice better energy, mood, and memory every time you hit the books.